Hi guys! We're here now at Al Qudra, Love Lake. It's my first time here in Al Qudra. And we're having a barbecue there. Ding is the one who making ihaw-ihaw the barbecue, grilling the barbecue. Wow! Hi Ding! Oh, hi Sophie! Yes! Gaita! Hello! Hello John! Hi! Okay! So, we're having fun here. Dito po kami ngayon sa Al Qudra. We're here at Al Qudra. We're having our camping here. Night camping. Ding is always making pay of the barbecue. Isaw at laman loob. Very nice. And this is Joart. And our tent here. We're very special. We have 2 tents there. Okay diba? Our life here in Dubai. So, we're here. Buhay namin dito sa loob ng tent. Our life here inside the tent here in Al Qudra. So beautiful. So you can see how beautiful it was. Wow. So beautiful. This is inside the tent when we were asleep. Tent. With pink. Good morning. Good morning, Al Qudra. Hello. Hi, dear. We are here. Good morning. Camping here in Al Qudra. This is the place. Love Lake. Ito mga isda. This is the Flamingo Lake. Flamingo is over there. So many flamingo. Ayun ang mga flamingo. That is the Flamingo Lake. Ang ganda ng flamingo. Ayun nakikita mo. Flamingo yun. That's why they call it Flamingo Lake. So we are here in Flamingo Lake, Al Qudra. Flamingo Lake ito. This is the camping site. So nice. Saan galing to? This is the turkey. So many turkey. Wow. Marami din yung turkey dito sa Alcodra. Done already. We're now going back home. Bye, Alcudra. See you again.